Hello and welcome live from Barcelona, IEC 2023. My name is Michael Wüst. Of course, I'm an employee of Blackbox. I'm responsible for the IoT business here in Europe and Middle East. So let me show you something that is really great. These are Blackbox made Bluetooth low energy sensors. This one is an air quality index sensor. So it gives you values like carbon dioxide, temperature, humidity, pressure, and of course the air quality index, which goes from 0 to 500 at that size with a lithium battery inside, which lasts 2 to 5 years. Here is our brand new IoT gateway AlertWorks 3000.